Charred negi with Mexican corn salsa makes a fantastic side salad and is delicious on its own. Negi is a bunching onion with a garlic-like aroma and sweet earthy flavor that is ideal for grilling. We'll start by prepping the negi for the grill. Drizzle the negi with olive oil, then season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Place the negi on the preheated grill pan and cook until the skins are charred and the center is tender when pierced with a knife, approximately 10 to 15 minutes. For the corn salsa, combine the grilled cut corn, the peppers, scallions, chipotle chilies, cilantro, lime juice, and olive oil. Gently toss to mix and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. To serve the salad, cut the negi in half on a bias. Place the negi on a platter and top with the salsa and a garnish of cilantro. So here's our finished charred negi and Mexican corn salsa. Enjoy!